This flight cost about £4,000, but I actually only paid £122 in cash. Here's how I booked it, and I'll show you why it is that I might never actually pay full price for a flight again. Come with me. When you fly economy, you pay £15 for a stale sandwich and sit on the floor by the gate. But because I booked this specific business class ticket, I get access to the brand new British Airways lounge in Miami, and I have to tell you, it was amazing. Usually, this place is reserved for people burning cash, but today, it's for me burning points. My strategy here is simple. I calculated my taxes were £121, so I need to consume exactly £121 worth of free food and drink to break even before we even take off. Top shelf spirits, decent coffee, I think I'm already in profit. I love this lounge and I would highly rate it in Miami, to be honest. So we start out from boarding group 1, no fighting for overhead bin space, no elbows in my ribs, just a left turn into an A350-1000 business class cabin. And this is the office for the next 9 hours. This isn't just a seat, it's a suite. It's fully lie flat and every seat in business class has direct aisle access. And the storage is just ridiculous. In this seat, as you can see here, you get this huge cubby space to place all of your stuff. It's absolutely massive, and as you can see, I threw my bag and a few other bits. You get this little side storage as well, where the red cupboard is, and also your overhead bin. The freebies: mattress topper, check. Pillow, check. Amenity kit, check. I don't need the socks, but they were free, so they're mine. TV screen size was ample, and there were loads of USB connections to plug in. Then it was time to see if the dining could match the seat. In business class, if you're tired, you can just go straight for the express menu. They'll bring it straight as you take off, and then they'll leave you alone. So I started out with a mocktail. That was the only thing on offer apart from water. Then we went on to the prawns, which were fresh and actually quite tasty, surprisingly. Then we went on to the chicken, which unfortunately tasted like it must have flown itself from London. And then on to ice cream, which was actually probably the best part of the meal. And then for breakfast, I had crepes, which were actually really tasty and very light and perfect for breakfast, I think. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through the different steps to book this flight online. It's not just me talking constantly, I want to actually take you through the practicalities of it. But before I do, there are loads of ways of saving points and collecting points. And if you want any tips, just reach out on the comment section and ask. I have loads of different ways of doing it. I've done it for the last kind of 4 or 5 years now, and I've saved myself a lot of money and a lot of hassle doing it. It might look complicated, but let me tell you, it's really easy, really straightforward, and once you get into it, you'll find it's actually something that you can quite easily do yourself. Scenario, we're going to log onto the BA website. You want to make sure that you are logged in with your BA club account. You can sign up for free on the BA website. So once you're logged in, you're going to go up to the top, you're going to click on book, and you're going to go to book a flight with Avios. Disregard this piece about a voucher, that doesn't matter for now. It's going to be for you, Miami. The cheapest way of doing it is indirect. You're going to want to make sure it's one way only if you are doing a transatlantic and you're trying to head back home. Choose the date. Now the point here is you're going to try and be as flexible as you can be with dates. The longer in advance you can book and the more flexible you are with dates, the more likely you are to get the flights that you want. So we're going to choose December. As of today, it's January 2026. We're going to choose Saturday the 12th of December. You're going to choose business class. You're going to choose how many adults. In this situation, we're going to choose 1. Selected. So BA does a pretty good job of consolidating all of the details here. So first thing to point out is you can see the date that we're talking about. You can see that there's availability on other days of the week as well. You can see it's off-peak as well. You're looking for both legs being with Iberia, which is that logo there. So it's this part here, partner airlines, and then on there you're going to choose business class. So you can see the dates confirmed here, and then you can see the total price. So in this scenario, it's 67,000 Avios and £121. Now, if you select more pricing options, they do give you different values depending on how much you want to pay in cash and how much you want to pay in Avios. So the option we've gone for at the moment is the highest amount of Avios and the lowest amount of cash. You can obviously change that if you have fewer Avios or you want to spend less Avios or cash is not so much of an issue for you. Bearing in mind that this does include 2 flights. So this is the flight here from Miami to Madrid and then the flight from Madrid back to London. So there are the 2 flights. You can see the different flight numbers listed. This is a linked ticket, so that means that all of your checked luggage will be taken from Miami directly into London. I'd also ask you at the very end of this video that if you do have any thoughts or feelings about places you want to go, any questions about flights, we've done reward redemptions with British Airways, American Airlines, we've done it with Iberia, we've done it with other airlines as well, and we've got a lot of experience doing it. If you have any questions about it or you want any help, I'm happy to give my advice. I'm even happy to help walk you through it as well. So please do reach out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more helpful information.